It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Saturday, the 24th of July. I'm Michael Groff. Active weather continues across the state through tomorrow with periods of showers and thunderstorms. Heavy rain that could lead to flash flooding is still a legitimate threat. Maybe a few strong storms across northern Arizona today and the threat of those again tomorrow for much of the state. Then we'll start to quiet down, dry it out, warm it up for the first half of the week. But monsoon moisture really isn't going anywhere, so daily chances of showers and storms will return and increase by the end of the upcoming week. All right, let's talk about it first. Yesterday in the valley, 83 degrees was the high, but that occurred at 12:08 a.m. Most of the day, we were in the 70s. What an absolutely beautiful day. That low of 73 actually happened at 1 o'clock in the afternoon with showers and storms across the metro. And the rainfall total from yesterday, that's in orange, 0.8 of an inch, because that was a daily record at Sky Harbor. Looking outside now, here at 6 a.m., we've got cloudy sky out there. And if you didn't know better, you're just looking at that picture there, that almost looks like a wintry morning. This looks more like January than July, with low clouds, even a few patches of light fog. We've got rain coming down, heavy rain at the airport at this time. And we are at 74 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 73, relative humidity 97%. The winds are light, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures across the area this morning, perfect. We're in the 70s. In fact, 67 is the cool spot up there on Thompson Peak. Not too often you see temps like this on a July morning. The upper air look shows high pressure across the west, but underneath it, we still have our area of low pressure. That's the troublemaker bringing all this unsettled weather. Little disturbances rotating around that to enhance shower and storm activity, and that's scooting to the west. It'll move across the region today and tomorrow to continue our rounds of showers and thunderstorms. Here's the watch warning map. We still have our flash flood watch in effect for much of the state. In fact, Mojave County has now been added to the flash flood watch. And as predicted yesterday, that has been extended through midnight tomorrow night. So all day today and tomorrow, we are still covered by that flash flood watch. Heavy rain that could lead to the potential of flood and/or flash flooding will be possible in and close to the watch area during that time. Elsewhere, don't look now, but the heat is back up across the northwestern states, and the Treasure Valley can't cut a break. So we've got excessive heat warnings again up for Boise, Idaho, and over into parts of Oregon as well. And some dense fog advisories elsewhere over parts of the deep south and the plains this morning. Here's the convective outlook for today. We've got the slight risk of severe storms around Chicago up toward Detroit. And here in Arizona, a marginal risk for severe storms, highlighting the potential of some strong winds and some hail as well across the northern part of the state, from Winslow to Flagstaff, the Grand Canyon over to Kingman along the I-40 there. And that will mainly be for this afternoon and into this evening. Here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through next Saturday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix between 1/2 and 1 inch, with 1 to 3 inch amounts still possible over the higher terrain. The Rim, the Eastern Mountains, Southeast Arizona, heavy rainfall will still be possible through tomorrow night before we start to quiet things down a bit. And we'll get into what's going on with this weather pattern and the challenges that it presents in more detail as we dive into modeling. Here we go. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. This is the upper look at 500 millibars, or about 18,000 feet off the ground. A ridge over Nevada. There's our area of low pressure that's brought all the unsettled weather moving into Arizona today. So for us, down at the surface today, the basic idea to the forecast: cloudy with numerous showers and thunderstorms, locally heavy rain possible early this morning. By the mid-morning hours, we should start to see things calm down. Mostly cloudy sky, maybe even the sun starts peeking out at times, with widely scattered showers and storms throughout the rest of the day here in the deserts. And high temperatures, a little warmer than yesterday, but not by much, only in the mid to maybe upper 80s. But with this forecast, the devil is in the details. As the upper low approaches from the east, instability will continue to be a factor through the atmosphere, and we have plenty of moisture. It wouldn't take much more than just a ripple to set off more showers and storms. So they will be possible just about any time and anywhere, and any one of them could put down some torrential rain in short order, as has been the case for the last day and a half. But I still think we're going to stay relatively stable, but if the sun does poke out, that could help to also destabilize the atmosphere a bit further. Now, let's look at some of the high-res models and see if we can get clarity off of that. This is the HRRR at 10 o'clock this morning. It shows most of the rain is over with by then, or wrapping up anyway. But for tonight, now this is the other interesting part of the forecast. The HRRR brings in rain in the evening. It shows showers and storms, and some pretty intense storms at that, moving into the valley by that time. And so the threat of heavy rain once again returns. But the 3-kilometer NAM says, nope, the evening looks pretty quiet here. However, as this disturbance continues to track across southern Arizona, the flow around it will bring the shield of showers and thunderstorms back in here in the overnight hours or the early morning hours on Sunday. By 4 a.m. tomorrow morning, it's got widespread rain coming back in here with some heavy thunderstorms potentially. So the bottom line for tonight, based upon model trends, a chance of evening showers and storms, better chances of rain after midnight, and more toward the 2 or 3 a.m. hour and beyond, with overnight lows mainly in the 70s. Now tomorrow, same challenges to the forecast. Cloudy in the morning, numerous showers and thunderstorms with some heavy rain possible. Then, again, we might start to turn partly sunny by the afternoon with a chance of showers and storms redeveloping. But the one potential we have to watch for tomorrow with a bit more sun is more instability. We still have this area of low pressure around the cold pool aloft. And so with that thermodynamic support potentially coming back in the mix, yes, a few strong to maybe severe storms with some damaging wind could be a threat tomorrow. All right, let's show you this. This is the rainfall coming off of the SREF, the Short Range Ensemble forecast, and this actually runs through Tuesday, but most of the rain will end by tomorrow night. And the model spread is pretty big here. You've got a couple of members that are over an inch, 3 members over an inch specifically. One is up there at 2 inches. You've got a few members that show nothing at all. The ensemble mean is around 1/4 of an inch. So that seems pretty reasonable. I would see us getting 1/4 of an inch before all is said and done, and probably even more than that, at least in some spots. Then on Monday, most of this is out of here. That upper low or inverted trough at that point as it opens up into a wave will move off to the north and west. And we should start to see some subsidence in its wake, some sinking air, so we'll dry things out a bit. Still a chance at some showers and storms on Monday, but they will be decreasing in high temperatures only in the mid to upper 90s, so another day where we don't make the century mark. On Tuesday, it looks like a fairly dry day here in Phoenix. I say dry, but the humidity levels should still be elevated. Mostly sunny, highs upper 90s to near 103. The GFS does show scattered showers and thunderstorms over the eastern mountains, though, trying to get into the lower desert Tuesday afternoon. And this is a trend we've been watching. If this continues, we might have to reintroduce some rain chances on Tuesday. On Wednesday, a pretty typical low-grade monsoon forecast in effect. Partly cloudy, very warm and humid with a slight chance of afternoon and evening showers and storms. Slightly better coverage of showers and storms on Thursday. Friday, even more showers and storms across the state. They become scattered now. And so we'll bump that rain chance up a little bit further. High temperatures will still stay pretty close to seasonal averages, somewhere between 103 to 107. Here's a week from today. This is Saturday, the 31st. High pressure over the plain states, southeasterly flow aloft. And guess what? Scattered afternoon and nighttime showers and storms. Moderate grade monsoon forecast. Looks like it will be in place with occasional disturbances rotating around the periphery of this ridge to enhance storm activity. Then going out 10 days, this is Monday, the 2nd of August. And if it hasn't been a weird enough summer, why not? An eastern Pacific upper trough moves in here. A baggy upper trough comes into Arizona. And normally that would dry us out. We would see westerly flow and things would quiet down. That would certainly scour out some of that monsoon moisture. But here's the kicker. We've got a tropical system down there off the coast of Baja. And it shows this trough actually deep enough to really pull some of this monsoon moisture back in as well. So we would continue with showers and thunderstorms around here. But again, this is 10 days out, and we have seen a myriad of solutions out here. So we'll just have to wait and see on that. But it's been a strange summer, so why not? And rainfall for the next couple of weeks coming off of the European ensemble. And the mean is just a sliver under 2 inches, believe it or not. And you got some members that are, again, up in the absurd realm of 3 and 4 inches of rain. But if active weather should continue for the next couple of weeks, why not? And temperatures off the national blend of models. It's got us in the 80s today and tomorrow. Now, if that verifies, that would be 3 consecutive days with high temperatures under 90 degrees in Phoenix in July. You know when the last time that happened was? Never. That has never actually happened. So we could be on historic territory, although I do think we will get to at least the low 90s tomorrow. We'll stay under 100 by Monday, though, but just barely. And then temperatures more or less near average as we step back into some semblance of reality for the rest of the weekend heading into next weekend. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged and welcomed. You guys be safe out there. Pay attention on the roadways. Enjoy the rain and have yourselves a glorious Saturday.